Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel DevOps World. Today we are going to learn how to install Git on our Linux server. Before going to install Git on our Linux server, I would like to give an introduction what is Git. So Git is a free and open source distributed version control system which is basically designed to handle everything from small to very large number of projects with speed and efficiency, and it is also keep track on tracking changes in any sets of file inside your project. So friends, this is the introduction of Git. Now we are going to install Git on our Linux server. So you have to open your favorite browser and go to this link. So don't worry guys, I will provide this link in description below so that you can copy this link and follow the procedure and install Git on your Linux server. So in this page, Git have mentioned all the flavor of Linux system. If you're able to see, it is Ubuntu, Fedora, Gentoo, OpenSUSE, like that. So many different Linux server it is there, and here it is also mentioned about this RedHat, Oracle Linux, CentOS and Scientific Linux. So here friends, we have many ways to install Git on our Linux server. If you want to download a tar file, so you can click this link, and based on your specific Git version you can download this tar file and untar this tar file on your server, and you can start with your Git. Or you can take the help of third-party community project like iOS, which is basically allow to install Git from their central repository. Or we can follow our traditional way to use yum or DNF repository manager, which help us to install Git on our Linux server. So guys, I'm going to follow traditional way. So basically I'm going to use yum. If in your case, if you want to use DNF, so you can use DNF repository manager as well. So I'll just go to my server. I give yum install Git. So friends, if I enter this command, so basically server show me all the packages which are going to install, and also it will display the packages which related to Git, and it will ask yes or no manual intervention prompt. Based on your input, server will install the Git or it will not going to install Git on your server. So if you don't want any manual intervention at the time of installation, so just provide -y flag at the end and do the enter. So it will install the Git on your Linux server without any asking your user input prompt. So right now I'm not providing -y, I'm just giving the enter. So right now guys, if you able to see, the server will going to install Git and as well as their respective dependency packages which is mentioned here, and this is the total size will going to install. It is 45 MB and it is asking the answer yes or no. Based on our input, it will install or it will not install the Git, but we have to install, so we just provide the y and do the enter. So it will take some few minutes. So now if you see, the Git is installed and it is showing that completed. I just clear the screen and I check the version we are able to successfully install or not. So guys, we are able to install successfully Git on our Linux server. If you want to verify the version, so you can provide this command git --version and it will display the respective version of Git. And also you would like to see some of the basic command of Git, so just give git help. Sorry guys, I need to provide double slash, and here it will display all your basics git command and as well as other option which are available for git. But here one important point guys, sometime what happens once you give yum install git, so sometime what happen, it will give you the error saying that the git repository is not found. So in this case, if you are facing this kind of issue at the time of installing and providing this command yum install git, then before going to provide yum install git command, you update your system using yum-y and update. So what happened? It will download the latest packages for your system from your central repository and install on your Linux server. And once your server update, then again you provide the command yum install git. So after that it will start download git on your Linux server and you are able to access your git software properly. So for today guys, I hope that you have liked this video, and please do not forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon so that whenever I upload any informative video, so you will get the notification on time. So for as of now guys, thank you.